Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing rainbow crayon friends with a surprise box. In this video, it's all about colors and crayon surprises. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready? Let's go! And if you love drawing and smart stories, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Let me tell you about colors while we draw. Colors are like team players. Some colors are called primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. They're the starters. When they team up, they make new colors. Red and yellow high-five and make orange. Yellow and blue shake hands and make green. Blue and red do a secret handshake and make purple. Cool, right? Colors can also show feelings. Yellow feels sunny and silly. Blue feels calm and cozy, like a soft blanket. Red feels brave and excited, like a superhero shout. But remember, colors can mean different things to different people. Your happy color might be blue, and that's awesome. Colors help us every day too. Traffic lights use colors to help us know what to do. Red means stop, green means go, and yellow means slow. They're like little helpers on the road. And a tiny crayon tip. Gentle hands make happy crayons. No need to press super hard. Soft coloring looks smooth and cozy. Okay, pretend with me for a mini story. Our rainbow crayon friends live inside a surprise box. Guess what happens when the box wiggles? Boing! A color parade pops up. Each crayon brings a silly surprise for a picnic. One brings a shiny sun sticker. Another brings a bouncy ball. Another brings a bunch of giggly grapes. You won't believe what happens next. A sneaky breeze swirls the surprises all around the park. Uh-oh! What do you think the crayons do? Do they chase the surprises? Do they share and trade? Does someone do a funny dance to make the breeze laugh and stop? What do you think happened next? If you think that's super silly, give this video a big like. But that's not all. Here are some color secrets. Fun fact 1. Your eyes can see many colors. More than you can count on your fingers and toes. Our eyes have tiny helpers inside that love to notice bright colors in light. Fun fact 2. Some animals see colors differently. Dogs don't see all the colors we do. They see mostly blues and yellows. Butterflies can see extra colors we can't, like special purples and sunshine. Whoa! Fun fact 3. A rainbow is sunlight bending through raindrops. The light splits into bands, like a color slide at the sky playground. If the sun is behind you and raindrops are in front, you might spot one. And here's a number nugget. Some giant crayon boxes have more than 100 colors. That's a lot of choices for art adventures. But that's not all. Colors can mix in different ways. If a color is very light, we call it a tint. If it's a deeper, darker version, we call it a shade. It's like whisper voice versus deep voice for colors. Colors also help us sort and remember. You can use one color for math papers and another for reading. Boom, organized. Want a travel trick? Colors have different names in different languages. Here are a few in Spanish. Red is rojo. Blue is azul. Yellow is amarillo. Green is verde. Try saying them softly, then with a superhero voice. Rojo, azul, amarillo, verde. Nice. And keep drawing and coloring with me. The final picture will make you smile so big. Our surprise box has one more secret waiting. I'm adding the last touches. Almost there. Get ready for the wow.
Let's draw and learn. Let's draw and learn. Let's draw and learn. Da 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 da.
You did amazing! Today we drew rainbow crayon friends and learned primary colors can team up to make new colors. Colors can show feelings and help keep us safe. Some crayon boxes have more than 100 colors. And if you love smart stories and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video on Let's Draw and Learn. See you next time, friends! Bye!